guys, today let's unbox my Lazada Mystery Box. Now let's open. With my scissors. I will cut through it. Okay, now let's open, guys. Woo! It's this one. Hey, Dad, I don't know what's this. There's something inside. Back. Now let's open it. I don't know what's this. Oopsie. Woo! Let's go open from here. What is this?
I think it's a Bluetooth speaker.
Oh, it's a Bluetooth speaker. Now this is the part of the speaker. This is the metal grill with two drivers and that. And then in the top we have the volume control. This is for the loud and this is low. Now this one is for answer call button. Now this one is on and off play pause button. Now we have this USB. At the back we have our USB port, and this is for the charger, on and off button, and this is the also an input micro USB port, and this is the loop. So this Bluetooth speaker is a defected battery. It's a fail. I'm sad. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell